Four-hour bus ride. Just got to Uyuni, which is like the jumping off point to Salar de Uyuni, which is the largest and highest salt flats in the world. So I'm here in my hostel room in Uyuni, and I booked a tour yesterday with Salty Desert Adventures to do a 3-day, 2-night tour of the Salar de Uyuni, the largest and highest salt flats in the world. I just went and got all the supplies I need, a lot of water, a bunch of snacks. They're supposed to provide food and all that, so ready to go.
Come in, I could seat you by the fire. Listen, listen.
So first stop, 5 minutes out of town, is the train graveyard.
I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light, and it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer as you look into my eyes. Nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time.
Now we've stopped in the middle of nowhere to take all the perspective pictures. Out here doing the perspective photos, and you can see all the cars in the distance. Oh geez, focus. There's one over there. Another one. The last stop for the day before we go is just to watch the sunset. This is our accommodation for night one. My roommate, what's up? Yeah, we're walking on salt right now. Day 2, let's go. First stop of the day is on day 2 is a train track that runs all the way from Uyuni to Chile, apparently. Our roughly third stop for the day is Laguna Canyon, where we will be seeing some flamingos. stop for the day is at the geysers, or geysers, I don't know how to pronounce it. But we're at about 4,900 meters above sea level right now. And this is boiling at about 160 degrees behind me. It's day 3, the final day. Last night we actually went down to some hot springs near to where we stayed. It was pretty cool, but it was also pitch black, so I didn't film anything. So no video footage from that. This morning we're just visiting this laguna, which is Laguna Verde. It's supposed to be green, but because there's no wind, it's not green. Apparently it has to be windy to be green. And after this we go to the Chilean border, cross the border, jump on a bus.
Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3.